Now here our to given a problem, AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. If AB equal to X, CD equal to Y and PQ equal to Z, then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. And it is the diagram. So here AB, PQ, CD are perpendicular to BD given. So perpendicular means they will be making angle 90 degrees. Okay. So now for proving that answer, here these will be splitting as small triangles, that one we taking. So first I am taking triangle BQP, triangle BDC. Now in these two triangles, here 90 degrees angles there, that purpose that will be taking. Okay, so in triangle, so first given one writing, given AB, CD and PQ are perpendicular to side BD, and AB equal to X, CD equal to Y and PQ equal to Z. That are the information given. Now I am taking BQP, BDC, two triangles taking. In triangle BQP and triangle BDC. Now both triangles to observe, B is the common vertex. So here the common angle is B. So angle B equal to angle B, since common angle. And angle Q equal to angle D, that is nothing but 90 degrees. So here two corresponding angles are equal, that means the third remaining angle is also equal. So by AA similarity, we can say triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC. And if two triangles are similar, we already said their corresponding sides ratio is equal. So BQ by BD equal to QP by DC, that equal to BP by BC. So here our to BP, BC, that sides about information anyone not there. BQ, BD means there has the base, so there will be some chance to use that one. So I am taking BQ by BD equal to this PQ and CD lengths there. So PQ by CD, that are the informations I am using. Next, similarly here ABD triangle, PQD triangle, that triangles to also if we observe in triangle ABD, triangle PQD. So in these two triangles observe, D is the common vertex. So from D is common angle, angle D equal to angle D, common angle. And here angle B making 90 degrees and angle Q also making 90 degrees. So angle B is equal to angle Q, that equal to 90 degrees. So the remaining third angle, angle A, angle P is also equal. So by AA similarity, now we can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. Now these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is equal. So AB by PQ equal to BD by QD, that equal to AD by PD. So here AB PQ sides length we know, and BQ QD here there, so that purpose that will be taking, and the third side ratio left. So AB by PQ equal to BD by QD. Now here in that first equation observe BQ by BD there. Here BD is as numerator there, here denominator there. So we write the reciprocals of these fractions. That means QD by BD equal to AB by PQ. We taking this one as equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. So BQ by BD plus QD by BD that equal to PQ by CD plus AB by PQ. PQ by CD plus AB by PQ. So here we not changed the reciprocals this side, that equal to PQ by AB. So here QD by BD written, but not written PQ by AB. That means here we can write PQ by AB. Now here this left side we observe BD is the common denominator. So direct adding the numerators BQ plus QD. BQ plus QD means that is nothing but the total side BD. So BD by BD. BD by BD is nothing but 1. Now here if we observe in this both PQ is the common numerator. So that PQ will be taking common, then we can write 1 by CD plus 1 by AB. Now here PQ length is nothing but here given Z, and CD length given that is Y, and AB length given as X. So Z into 1 by Y plus 1 by X. So Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y. Now this multiplication Z transfer to this side, that is division. So 1 by Z equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So therefore we can conclude that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. That is our answer. Here given another problem. A flagpole 4 meters tall casts a 6 meters shadow at the same time. A nearby building casts a shadow of 24 meters. How tall is the building, that is the information here given. Okay, so here a flagpole, that is 4 meters there. Now it costs 6 meters shadow. Now the edges will be joining. So here the flagpole from the base to 90 degrees forming. Okay, now at the same time given, at the same time a building there, that building shadow costs 24 meters given. Now the building's height how much, that one we have to find asked. And here that building also base to perpendicular 90 degrees making. Okay, and here both two given at the same time, that means the sun to making angles are equal. So now this will be taking as two triangles ABC and PQR. Now here the height of the building we want to find, that will be taking as x. Now if we solving for this purpose, first the giving information writing. So height of flagpole AB equal to 4 meters. Its shadow BC equal to 6 meters. That is about flagpole given. Next, for that buildings, let height of building PQ equal to x meters. That one we feeling. Its shadow length QR equal to QR equal to 24 meters taking. Now here triangle ABC, triangle PQR, both triangles to observe, they are at the base to perpendicular there. So angle B equal to angle Q, that is nothing but 90 degrees. And at the same time we measure the shadow's length, that means angle A and angle P are equal. So angle A equal to angle P since given. So by AA similarity we can conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is equal. So AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Now our two AC, PR about any information are there, that purpose these two sides ratio only taking. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, and here AB length is 4, PQ length is x, and BC length is 6 and QR length is 24. By that cross multiplication 6 into x equal to 4 into 24. That multiplication 6 transfer to this side, that is nothing but division. So 4 into 24 by 6. 6 ones, 6 fours, 4 fours, 16. So x equal to 16. X means that is nothing but height of building. So height of the building PQ, that equal to x is 16 meters. The problem given one is construct a triangle similar to given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So with our own measurements draw a triangle ABC, and this triangle to 5 by 3 times more to a similar triangle we want to draw for the triangle ABC. That is the information our to given. So first we construct a triangle ABC. Okay, so they are not given any measurement. So with our own choice a triangle we drawing. So we draw triangle A, B and C. Okay, now what we doing for constructing that one, we have to write them as construction steps. So construction steps. The first construction step what we done is drawn a triangle ABC with measurements. So here measurements we not especially mention. Why? Because in that problem they not given. Okay, now we have to draw 5 by 3 times. So 5 by 3 times means that is this triangle to compare, that is more there. Why? Because 5 by 3 means it is equal to 1 point. Okay, 1 point means that is more only. So for the drawing purpose we have to draw an acute angle to BC side base to that acute angle from B to triangle. Okay, that is BX, and that BX line segment to here our to given 5 by 3 ratio. So 5 by 3 ratio given, that means the numerator is 5, denominator is 3. So sum of the ratios is nothing but 8. So we have to divide this BX line segment into 8 equal parts. So that will be now doing with compass. Now divide these line segment BX to 8 equal times. Okay, so that will be taking So that points will be indicating as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Now this information writing, draw an acute angle CBX from point B. Next one, divide the line segment BX to 5 plus 3, 8 equal parts such that B1 equal to B1 B2 that equal to B2 B3 that equal to B3 B4 that equal to B4 B5 that equal to B5 B6 that equal to B6 B7 that equal to B7 B8. Okay, now for getting our answer purpose, now joining B5 and C. Why? Because 5 by 3 times purpose, so 5 is the numerator, so in that purpose 5 to joining. Okay, so now that one we writing, join B5 and C. Okay, join B5 and C. Now we have to draw the similar triangle to triangle ABC, and sum of the ratios is nothing but 8. So from this B8 point to draw a parallel line to B5C. So now this one drawing through using set square. Now that is here withdrawn, but now this one touching purpose, here the triangle not there, so we have to extend BC up to C dash. Okay, so now that one we writing, from B8 draw a parallel line to B5C to meet extended BC at C dash. So C dash to meeting model we join. So we need triangle ABC to similar one. So here one side BC dash came. So now another side getting purpose, from C dash to also we drawing a parallel line to this CA. So now by using set square again drawn a parallel line. So now that will be came, but that is not touched to any side. So now extending this BA up to where it will be touched. So now here it will be touched, that point will be taking as a dash. Okay, so from C dash draw a parallel line to CA to meet extended CA BA at a dash. Now if we observe a dash B C dash is a triangle, and now this triangle is similar to triangle ABC. So triangle A dash B C dash is required similar triangle to triangle ABC. Okay, so triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so here numerator is more compared to denominator. That purpose that some of the ratios we taken, and that ratio to what is the numerator, that ratio to join the vertex, and some of the ratios point to drawn parallel line to this side, and that one with this base to not touch. That purpose extended base up to where this parallel line to touching, and where it touched that point to again another side parallel line we drawn, that is the remaining third side to extended one to touched. So now in this model we get the similar triangle of the given triangle. Here given the problem, construct a triangle similar to triangle XYZ such that each of its sides is 4/3 of the sides triangle XYZ. That means here we have to draw a triangle XYZ. The triangle to 4/5 ratio to we draw another triangle that is similar to triangle XYZ. And here drawing triangle XYZ purpose, any measurement not given. So with our own measurements we have to draw a triangle XYZ. So now we are drawing a triangle XYZ. So that is writing as construction step. Draw a triangle XYZ. So for drawn 4/5 ratio of similar triangle, similarly before problem model, here we have to draw an acute angle to the base YZ side to from point Y. That is YA. That line segment will be taking as YA. Okay, so draw an acute angle ZYA from point Y, and here the similar triangle ratio is 4 by 5 given. So 4 by 5 given, here 4 by 5 to simplified means that is 0.8, that means it is less than 1. So here what is the denominator, that is 5. So this YA line segment we have to divide into 5 equal parts through compass. So 1 2 3 4 5. So that 5 points to naming as y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay, now YA line segment is divided as 5 parts. Divide YA line segment into 5 equal parts such that y1 equal to y1, y2 equal to y2, y3 equal to y4, y5, that equal to y3, y4. So 5 equal parts to we divide. Next, here the denominator is 5. So from y5 point to joining z, so that is y5 z line segment joined. Okay, so join y5 and z, join y5 and z. So now we drawn similar triangle with 4 by 5 ratio. So the numerator is 4. So we have to taking y4, that is the fourth point. So from that fourth point to y5z to drawn a parallel line through set square. That drawn line is touched the yz line segment at z dash. Okay, so draw a parallel line to y5z from y4 touch the yz at z dash. So z dash to touched. Now from z dash to this xz line segment to draw another parallel line using set square. Now that will be drawn one touched the xy line segment at x dash. Okay, so from z dash draw another parallel line to xz, touch the yx side at x dash. Now here if we observe x dash, y and z dash, it is a triangle and this triangle is similar triangle to x y z. Okay, so x dash y z dash is similar triangle to triangle xyz. So triangle x dash y dash yz dash is similar to triangle xyz. Okay, so in this model we will draw the similar triangles of the given triangles. Okay, And here we have to remember one thing, if the numerator is more, then we have to take sum of the ratios as dividing point. If the numerator is less, then we have to take what is the denominator, that much equal parts, then we have to draw the similar triangle. Okay.